Hello, my name is Kaisa Helttunen. I am the person responsible for the master's degree program in chemistry and analytics for circular economy, or shortly CACE. I will introduce our study program for you. Modern societies consume more raw materials than is sustainable for our planet. Our current economy is linear, which means that we have to dig a lot of raw materials and create a lot of waste. Development of circular economy leads to sustainable production, since products are not discarded at their end of life and the raw materials used to make them are recovered and upcycled to new products. This creates a new technological opportunities, requires new technological innovations, and provides great economical opportunities. The purpose of CASE is to educate experts in circular economy. Our program has a unique structure that combines the basics of circular economy as well as the recovery and upcycling of metals, critical raw materials, and bio-based materials. Analytical chemistry is in a key role for the development of circular economy. And our program has strong focus on both inorganic and organic analytics. CASE is a 2-year full-time master's degree program that is taught on-site in Jyväskylä. All students take advanced studies in chemistry and analytics for circular economy for 77 ECTS credits. In addition, you can choose between business module or statistics module and the courses that you include in these modules. Examples of the courses in each module are listed here. The curriculum also has other mandatory courses, for example, in language and communication and environmental impact assessment. Analytical techniques and laboratory teaching are in a central role to develop the hands-on skills and expertise that is greatly valued by the employers. The program includes courses in analytical methods, which give solid theoretical background. During laboratory works and demonstration, students learn how to use modern analytical instruments by themselves. The techniques include ICP, analytical spectroscopy, chromatographic methods for separation and analysis of compounds, mass spectrometry, and NMR spectroscopy. In laboratory works, students get to choose from several exercises, for example, HPLC, GC, IR, and metal recovery. The studies conclude with master's thesis that takes about 5 to 6 months to complete. The master's thesis is done in research groups or in collaboration with companies or research institutes. The thesis includes an experimental project which will deepen the expertise in particular topic. We are looking for applicants that have strong motivation for analytical chemistry and circular economy, and who have completed their bachelor degree in chemistry or in related fields in natural sciences. Previous laboratory expertise or experience from chemistry courses or working life is also required. We also expect English skills because our program is fully taught in English. The business in circular economy, forest and chemical industries and energy industries is increasing. And there's a growing demand for the expertise our program provides. Department of Chemistry has extensive collaboration with companies in private and public sectors, with national research institutes and international partners. Here are some examples of our collaborators in research and teaching. Potential job titles for the graduates of CACE are also listed here. Finally, I look forward to your application. Thank you.